My friends, this is day 27 of your 30 days of morning yoga. I just filmed day 26, which was an intense power yoga course. I want to jump right into it for these beautiful shoulder stretches. It's me, Coach Vigue. Thanks so much for joining me. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you just need your body weight. We're going to loosen up our shoulders, definitely hit the rest of the body in a short amount of time. It's all body weight, no props, nothing of any kind other than this beautiful body that we have. You got a beautiful body. Today's random question is, what is your biggest pet peeve? What's your biggest pet peeve? We must know this. Comment below when you're ready to share something so important and momentous. Let's come to a seated cross-legged position, or any seated position you deem to be the most comfortable. Let's shake out the arms. Lots of deep breathing. Relax. This 30-day morning yoga program has an ebb and flow to it. There's always a reason for what we do. Ebb and flow, up and down. Keep it challenging, keep it natural, keep it very interesting. All right, let's take the neck across the neck. Take the arm across the neck, like you see in a movie. Oh, sleeper hold right here. Gonna get some nice shoulder work here into the tricep. Don't choke yourself. Add some twisting. I'm a big proponent of adding bends and twists to a lot of movements. Don't just leave it at your shoulders. Let's get the rest of the body into it. Hopefully we'll make it all the way through. The sky is angry. It's making some deep guttural noises that always a spontaneous Florida sky. Good. Bring it across. Bring it across. Relax the shoulder down. More than anything, work on your ability to breathe into the movements and to relax. Oh, the nice breeze. We might film in the rain a little bit here. Let's go to the other side. But this will be a shorter one. Aiming for about 10 minutes, and I'll get on my trusty steed, my bike, and head back home. One more breath. All right, now take that other arm across this time on a diagonal. Like to move it up and down. Look at this. A lot of times you just go like this. It's okay stretch. You get much more out of it. This extension across the body and the movement up and down. A little twisting. Emphasize the shoulders back and down when you can, so we're not just rolling forward. You can switch the legs out, of course. You could also do these in a lunge position or a standing position. Sitting on a unicycle, which would be quite challenging. Other side. Sprinkles are coming. It's the Floridian Russian roulette with filming here. When the storm starts to come in, like, how long do I have? Which chamber has it? Fortunately, I wore deodorant as well for myself. Okay, 30 days of morning yoga with Coach V. What a delight this is. All right, shake out the legs. We're gonna go into the Mudra side to side. I'm gonna sit on the heels. I like to change up the seating arrangement. Lace the fingers behind, we open up, and then we place the hands to the side. If you want, drop the head away. We're gonna get a flow going, so we go to the center, drop the head back, relax the jaw. Other side, and lengthen. Relax. Shoulders back and down. Let your chest expand. 2 more times each side. Great for the posture, postural adjustments. Definitely takes pressure off the shoulders and neck, middle back, the rhomboids, the low back, decreasing the tension. Oh, there we are. My mood always elevates when I can really open up the upper body. Okay, Mudra open, cross-legged, sitting on the heels, whatever you want. We have the Majestic Eagle. Right arm forward, left arm underneath, wrap around, fists here or hands together. Tell you what, I'm gonna do some twisting. I'm reaching my fingers up. My shoulders are sinking back and down. My elbows are reaching forward to expand the upper back and shoulders. The rear deltoids, the posterior deltoids. Deltoid always sounds better than shoulder. Sounds like a brand of Nespresso, brand of coffee. Intenso deltoid, deltoido. Good, up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Release. We have a opportunity for a back bend. Always take that. Always lift it up and back. One more time. Switch. Left arm. Yes. Here we are. Twist. Fingers up. Shoulders down. Elbows forward. Elbows forward. Sing some German lieder while we do this. I'm not going to do it. I mean, who doesn't equate this with singing German folk songs? Used to sing a lot of those in college when I was studying voice. Italian, German, French, even I sang some Spanish songs too. All very good. Some English also. All right, up and down. Vaughan Williams. A lot of Vaughan Williams. Songs of travel. Any of you know those? Any of you sing them? Let me know below. Little roadside fire. Whither must I wander? Up and down. All right. I'll stop. Tell you, the movement inspires me so much. Anytime I flow like this, I want to talk about art. I want to talk about music and art and inspiration. It's all positive, very positive, inspiring stuff, I tell you. One more time, up and down. Unravel the eagle. I was going to say unleash the eagle, but we already did it. Shake out the arms and the legs. Okay, something biting me. I don't know. I get phantom bite pains. Let's take it to our child's pose. Right hand. Really extend it forward, that right arm. And then we're going to do one of our classics, one of our standbys. We have thread the needle. Reach it through. We have both shoulders getting a nice massage, a nice stretch. You could shimmy. Look at this. I'm shimmying. It ain't pretty, but it works. To emphasize the pressure on my shoulder that's on the mat, my left shoulder. Break up some fascia, the web that encircles and encases everything in your body. Other side, extend, thunder. All right, just a couple more minutes. I was struck by lightning once while I was biking years ago. I think I was. There was a big flash. I swear my hands sparked. They did. Ever since then, I can fly. But I'm not going to do it because then everyone will talk. All right, knot pose. You could do the thread the needle again or bring the arms across by the chest. Both of them in opposite direction. Work through it, knees wide. There we are, come on down. You could also do this laying flat on your stomach with your legs back behind you, more advanced. I'm already here. I did that version at the gym a few days ago. It was a revelation. It was amazing. I was stumbling down the stairs after that. It makes you a little sedated, a little natural high with that beautiful openness, the blood flow going in, very profound. All right, other side. Either thread the needle other side or switch the other arm on top. You can roll it out too. Look at this, I'm rolling to the side, to the center, and to the other side. Take your time. You can always pause the video. That's the beautiful thing about these videos. They're yours to use as you wish. You could pause them. You could watch them first. You can study them. You can eat a large Domino's pizza and watch me jump around on the mat. I don't know. Whatever you want to do with it. Just make sure you're breathing and you're focused. And eventually you will do it with me. You will. I'm sorry, 2-finger Disney point right there. One more breath. All right. Rising up, sitting on the heels or cross-legged. Shoulder rolls. It has the word shoulder in the title. It must be good. Inhale up, exhale back. Break down the shoulder roll. Lift up, gently, bring it back, and then the gravity goes right down. Most of the time we just get out of the way, don't we? Get out of the way. I was always very good at math, but once I started advanced math in high school, my brain shut down. I got in the way of my brain. I'm sure I could do it. My brain shut down. Algebra 2, Math 4. I dreaded going to the board to show my work. And algebra and everything before that, I loved it. Had no problem. And weird block there. My dad was an engineer. He didn't understand it. One more time. Up and back. Let's finish off with an active cactus. Slicing through the air, expanding your shoulders range of motion. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms in, slice it down. Inhale. Exhale. Nice movement. Relax those shoulders. Focus on evening out the shoulders. If you have a mirror, you could watch yourself, of course. Watch as they rise up and as they descend. A lot of times when the shoulders go up, we like to add extra tension. It's in our DNA a lot. We tense up and then, like if I heard a big thunderclap right now, I might tense up a little bit. The shoulders are the first to go. So sink them down. Be aware of when they come up. There we go. I was bringing them up a little too far. I can feel that. Try to keep them stabilized. Thunder. One more time. Down, palms forward, twisting. Well done, my friends. Keep twisting. This is Coach Vigue. This is day 27 of your 30 days of morning yoga. Link to all 30 is below. If this lovely shoulder stretch routine helped, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click the notification bell up there to never ever miss a workout. And today's random question is, what is your biggest pet peeve? I have several. One that came to mind instantly, though, is tailgating me when I'm driving. Florida has some doozies of drivers, like I'm sure every state does. But even in this little town here, you get tailgated. You're in a residential area. People zoom up behind you, and they tailgate. I used to do this thing where I'd act like I was insane. I would start braking and swerving. My dad didn't like that, but they would back off. So my sister keeps saying, do it, do that. I'm like, I don't know. I just might play it cool, but yeah, I kind of stop and I lurch around in the car like someone dumped a nest of bees in the car, a hornet's nest. It worked. All right, shake it out. So let me know below, biggest pet peeve. And we're good to go. See you tomorrow for day 28, my friends. And as always, until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.